Now that we did the maintenance on this car to make sure that it runs a lot better, we can move on to another thing that I think is important, which is lighting. The reason I say lighting is because I think it's pretty easy enough to replace. Also, it's not too expensive, but at the same time, most importantly, that it can improve visibility at night. Some of the lights we can swap out is like the headlights right here, the front map lights, the dome light, the trunk light, the license plate light, and the rear tail light, which is the brake light, the reverse light, and the turn signals. So the people at Auxito Lighting sent us a whole kit for the Honda Civic. We have the H4 headlights. We have some interior light bulbs, and we also have front turn signals, rear turn signals, and we have backup lights. All of these are LEDs. It's definitely going to improve the light quality and the output of the car, and it's also pretty simple enough to install. I've had Auxito lighting on most of my cars already, and they have lasted since then, so I cannot complain, and I'm happy to be working with Auxito. To take out the front headlights bulb, take off this rubber boot, and there should be a metal prong clip thing that holds onto it. Push it forwards, and then you should be able to pull out the bulbs. Installing the Auxito light is super easy. It already comes with the adapter, and they extend it out. So all you do is push it into the groove, and then you connect this end to the wire harness. Test if it comes on. And for the rear tail lights, once you take off the lining, all it is just a twist bolt, both sides. Install your Auxito lighting. Check, see if it works. Dome light, it's easy. Find something skinny, like a flathead. Go on the edge. You want to pry, and this is the bulb. Place one with Auxito. That map light, pry on the edges, the clear cover pops off. And for the license plate, take out the plug. There's two prongs on the side, be careful. Like mine snap, but you press it down and you get this little bolt right here all the way in, and you put it back.